Good morning, students. Today our topic is Fourier cosine transform. Under this Fourier cosine transform, let's see the first problem. Find the Fourier cosine transform of the given function e power minus ax and a greater than 0, and hence evaluate the function integral 0 to infinity dx by x square plus a square into x square plus b square. Now let's come to the solution. First, taking the formula for the cosine transform. What is the formula for cosine transform? Fc of s equal to root 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity f of x cos sx dx. In place of cos f of x, we have to take the given function e power minus ax. Okay. Now the formula for integral 0 to infinity e power minus as cos sx dx is equal to a by s square plus a square. We can't integrate the function e power minus ax and cos sx directly without using any formula. We can't integrate it. So that we are using the result of this integration. The result of this integration is a by s square plus a square. In the same way, we are taking the one more function named as gc of s. If taking the gc of s equal to root 2 by pi, okay, integral 0 to infinity g of x cos sx dx, that is equal to root 2 by pi. In place of g of x, you have to take g of x is also e power minus e power minus bx. Okay, we are taking g of x equal to e power minus bx means into cos sx dx. Then what is your answer? Root 2 by pi. Using the result, in power of e power, the coefficient of x is minus b. So the formula is b by s square plus b square. So that is the answer for GC of s. Okay. So in the same way, we are finding FC of S and GC of S using the Fourier cosine transform. Now come to the next portion of the problem. Evaluate integral 0 to infinity dx by x square plus a square. So we are for finding that, we are using the Percival identity formula. The Percival identity formula is integral 0 to infinity fc of s gc of s into dx equal to integral 0 to infinity f of x into g of x dx. Okay. Here we are substituting the value one by one. First, substitute the value for fc of s. So what is the formula value for fc of s? We get the fc of s value is root 2 by pi a square by s square plus a square. So root 2 by pi a by s square plus a square we are substituting here. Similarly, already we find the value for gc of s here. The gc of s formula is value is root 2 by pi b by s square plus b square into ds is equal to. Similarly, substitute the value of f of x. What is the value of f of x is given in our problem? The value of f of x, the function in the form of e power minus ax. Similarly, we are taking the value of g of x is e power minus bx dx here. So after substituting the values, now let's start to simplify it. Okay, for simplifying, first taking the constant term outside of integration. What are the constant terms are present here? The constant terms are root 2 by pi and root 2 by pi. What is the value of root 2 by pi into root 2 by pi? Root 2 by pi into root 2 by pi, that is equal to 2 by pi. Okay, so we are taking the outside only 2 by pi. The rest of the constant is a and b is also a constant term. So taking outside of integration. So the remaining term is 0 to infinity. What is that? The function, the integration is given ds divided by s square plus a square as well as s square plus b square here. Now come to the right side of integration. Okay. what is the right side present here? E power minus ax and e power minus bx into dx. Already in your school you studied the formula a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay. For algebra, already you studied in your school. So using this formula, e power minus ax and e power minus bx is e power minus of ax plus bx. If you're taking x outside, your answer is e power minus a plus b into x. So, after adding e power minus ax and e power minus bx, we got e power minus of a plus b into x into dx. Now, integrate the right side. Okay, what is the integration of this? If you're taking the integration, what is the integration of e power ax? Always, if you integrate e power ax dx is equal to, already you know the integration of e power ax is e power ax by a. Here in place of a we have e minus a into a plus b. So after integration e power minus a plus b by x by minus of a plus b, the integral 0 to infinity. So taking the constant term outside of the limit minus 1 by a plus b. Now apply infinity in place of x and also infinity 0 in place of x. Okay, e power minus infinity is 0. The value of e power minus infinity is 0 and e power 0 is 1. Okay, the value of e power minus infinity is 0 and e power 0 is equal to 1. So substitute the value here. In place of e power infinity we are substituting 0 and e power 0 value is 1. Finally, what is the value we get in left side? 1 by a plus b. Already there is term in right side. 2a left side 2ab by pi integral 0 to infinity ds by s square plus a square into s square plus b square equal to 1 by a plus b. So bring the constant term to the next side and turns to reciprocal pi by 2ab into a plus b. But they ask in our question they ask in terms of x. So replace s by x, we get the solution integral 0 to infinity x square plus a square and x square plus b square equal to pi by 2ab into a plus b.